This video will demonstrate how to install your SV1T sampler valve. First, remove the white plug from the tank and set it aside. Remove from the kit bag the sampler valve and two gaskets. One gasket should already be on the sampler valve. Screw the valve into the molded insert in the tank. Do not use any tools to leverage the valve into place. The valve stem should be pointing down when it can turn no further. If, however, it is pointed up or to either side, remove the valve and put the second gasket on it. Be sure the second gasket is all the way against the first gasket. This should provide a little flexibility in the amount of compression to allow the valve to finish in the proper orientation and still get the desired seal against the tank wall.